Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. Today I have my FabFitFun video for spring 2021 and I'm so excited because I am so ready for spring. Spring is actually in less than 40 days, which doesn't sound that far away, but it feels very far away because sometimes it still snows in the beginning of the spring where I live. So it is cold outside, there's snow on the ground, but it's sunny. So I feel like there is hope that the warm weather is on its way and I'm just excited to open up my box and share the products with you. This is what the box looks like. It is so cute. This is probably my favorite box design that I've gotten. It's just so spring-like, so bright and fun, and it just puts me in a good mood when I look at it. So I am loving the design of the spring box. I do want to say thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video and continuing to work with me here on my channel. I have years worth of unboxings, and a lot of the products that I use around my house are things that I've gotten in FabFitFun boxes. I like the fact that they include not only full-size products, but a variety of products. So you can get makeup, but you can also get skincare, jewelry, home decor, things to help you organize, all kinds of things. And the value of the box is always such a great deal because sometimes there are products in the box that are worth more than the actual cost that you pay. Something that I love about FabFitFun is they actually allow you to customize your box and choose some of the products that you'll be getting. So I'm excited to show you guys what I chose. I've been testing a few of them out so I can actually review them for you. And something that they started doing in spring 2021 that I thought was really cool is that they've actually created a list of ingredients that they won't be including in the products that we get inside our boxes. So they're just very conscious about the products they choose, and I think that's really important. That's something that a lot of people look for when they're shopping for their own beauty products. So I love that FabFitFun has made that a priority for their boxes. I honestly feel like they're always doing things just to be better. Like last year they introduced 100% recycled craft boxes. They work with female-founded companies. They always partner with a charity. So I love FabFitFun so much. They do ship to the US, the UK, and also Canada. So let's jump into it and I'll show you guys what I got inside my spring box. So the first product I got is something that I did choose for my box, and I was so excited when I saw this available as a choice because I've heard such good things about this brand. I think my favorite step in my skincare routine is when I get to apply moisturizer. I love trying different formulas and seeing which ones work well for my skin, and I've heard so many good things about Perricone MD. So this is their rejuvenating moisturizer. This moisturizer retails for $98. It is sold at Sephora. It's not just like a random skincare brand that has a high retail value. It really is an expensive skincare brand. And again, I've heard so many amazing things about their products, and I can definitely see why. The texture of this moisturizer is so nice. It's not too heavy, it's not too lightweight. So I really feel like if you have oily skin or dry skin, you would enjoy it. But I love the texture of this for the winter time specifically because when I apply this, my skin feels moisturized and it stays that way throughout the day. Sometimes when I use a little bit of a thicker moisturizer in the morning, it will either cause my skin to break out, it will feel extremely oily. That is not the case with this one. This one sinks into the skin so quickly. It leaves your skin feeling and looking so smooth. And this really is one of the best moisturizer formulas that I've tried. This product does have a pretty strong citrus scent, so if that's something that's going to bother you, I would keep that in mind. But the effects of this product are very noticeable, and I'm excited that I got the chance to try it out through my FabFitFun box. Another product that I chose to receive in my box is this really nice Sorbus makeup organizer. I love trying out new makeup organizers. I love to have them in this room. I like to have them in my bathroom or in my bedroom. And I just thought that this was so cute, but also the perfect size because it wasn't too big. It just kind of holds all of the essentials. First of all, the design is super cute. It just has this really pretty daisy design, which I think is fun, but it's very subtle because obviously when you have this sitting on a table, it's not something that's really going to jump out at you, but I feel like it's something that you see as you're kind of picking up your products, so I just thought that was a fun touch. So there is a larger section, and then there are a couple of smaller sections as well. Let me actually put some makeup products in here. I just kind of threw a few random things in here that I had laying around, but it's nice because you can fit your staples. So if you don't wear a lot of makeup, you could totally fit your everyday makeup in here. If you're just looking for a small organizer for a few things, maybe like bathroom essentials or nighttime essentials, this is perfect because it won't get out of hand and it's just really cute and compact. So I'm going to put this next to my bed at night and throw in like a moisturizer, a hand cream, and a lip balm, and that will be perfect. I thought these were so much fun. I got these cute little hair clips from the brand Each. It was just such a fun little surprise because I love hair clips. I'm always wearing them because I do love to wear my hair down, but sometimes I just want it out of my face. So clips like this this are perfect because they're cute, but they're functional. I actually got clips in a box a few months ago, and I wear them so much. So I was just excited to see them included in this box as well. The design is perfect for the spring and summer. They're just little gold clips with white flowers on them. I actually chose this next product for my box. These are so cute. These are faux fur slippers from the brand Splendid, and I just thought they were a lot of fun. I am not always the biggest fan of like big fluffy slippers because sometimes my feet just get a little bit too hot, but I do feel like it's nice to have something to kind of walk around with, especially during the winter, and I just thought these were super cute. My sister actually got me some of these like flip-flop style slippers for Christmas, and I've been wearing them nonstop. So I just thought it would be fun to have a pink pair, just an extra pair to wear around the house. I also chose this hair mask for my box. It's by the brand Gloss Modern. It is their clean luxury hair mask. This brand is cruelty-free and this product is vegan. I've never actually tried this brand, but this just sounded really nice. First of all, I appreciate the packaging. I feel like sometimes, or the majority of the time, hair masks actually come in like tub packaging. So you have to unscrew the lid and scoop it out. And then when you have the hair mask in your hand, you're trying to like put the lid back on without losing the hair mask. And like 9 times out of 10, I end up dropping either the tub of the hair mask or the hair mask in my hand. It's just not very user-friendly, and hair masks can be kind of expensive. So I just appreciate that this comes in a tube. I think it's a lot more user-friendly when you're in the shower applying it. That's just a little thing because I feel like I use a hair mask once a week. My hair does have a tendency to get a little bit dry because I do use a lot of heat on it. So I'm always looking for something that's just going to infuse it with moisture. This one says that you can use it weekly or daily, and you can leave it on your hair for as long as desired, but at least for 5 minutes, and you can use it overnight. So I actually haven't tried this out, but I am going to test it out. I'll keep you guys posted in my February favorites and fails and let you know if it works out for me. I love the fact that FabFitFun included these little makeup remover pads. These are the perfect size for removing your makeup. And if you guys haven't tried anything like this before, basically you add a little bit of water and you just kind of use it to gently remove your makeup. Now, if you're not wearing a lot of makeup, if you're wearing like a light foundation and light eye makeup, it will take everything off with a little bit of warm water. Typically, if I'm wearing more full coverage makeup like I am today, I'll add a little bit of like a makeup remover balm or a little bit of micellar water, and that makes a big difference as well. So these are from the brand Say. We actually got 3 of them. It's nice because you can just use the one side and then the next day you can flip it over, but I always like using products like this alongside of my cleanser after I remove my makeup because I just feel like it helps to get my skin extra clean and I don't miss anything. I actually did try this product. This is the Suns Out, Pouts Out Gold Foil Lip Masks. So it actually came with 4 of them. I did use 1 of them. This product is vegan. It's supposed to soothe, nourish, and soften your lips. I'm not always big into like one-time use masks that you apply and then throw away, but what's nice about this is that it actually comes with a lot of products. So you can actually fold it up and like seal it again and then use the remaining product inside to apply to your lips. At least that's what I did. And it's very, very moisturizing. It makes a big difference. My lips have been so dry. In fact, my whole body has been very dry except for my face, which is pretty oily. But the winter weather is just always very harsh and my skin always feels the effects of it. And my lips have been so dry. My regular lip balms haven't been doing it for me. So this has made a difference. I think that it is incredibly moisturizing. It works really well. It does smell really good and you can smell it while it's on your lips, but I had never tried anything like this, so I wanted to give them a shot. I think that I would kind of save it for like special occasions. It's not something that I would use every single day, but I do think it is a fun little product to try out. The last thing that I chose for my box is something that I am so excited to try. So along with my dry skin, I feel like my feet have also been a little bit extra dry during the winter time, and they actually offered this as one of the choices. These are the Halston Aloe Infused Gel Lined Socks and Pumice Stone. I don't think that I've ever tried anything like this before. I mean, I've tried a pumice stone, so it is nice that it comes with one of those because it is important to replace that every once in a while. So I will be using this, but these are actually socks that have like this gel texture inside of them. I've tried like aloe infused socks in the past, but these feel really interesting. So I'm actually going to put these to the test because I am in need of something. Honestly, I should probably go get a pedicure, but I just feel like something like this, it feels like it's going to be more effective than just kind of applying moisturizer every night. Okay guys, that is everything I got inside my FabFitFun box for spring. I really think this was like a good self-care, kind of like spa-like focused box. I got the hair mask, the moisturizer, the socks, the slippers. I feel like I could have an at-home spa day. Apply that lip mask and relax. I haven't done an at-home spa day in like a year. It's been a long time. So maybe I'll do that this weekend, and I'll update you guys on the products that I haven't tried in my February favorites and fails. But let me know what you guys chose for your box. Did you get the same products? Did you choose different things? There were some fun home decor products I thought about getting, like some coasters, a tray, but I just really wanted like all of the self-care products. So anyway, thank you guys for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys very soon with a new one. Bye.